Today we are going to learn about procedural content generation with machine learning. We will delve into the exciting world of game development, exploring how machine learning can produce unique and dynamic content. By the end of this video, you will understand the role of machine learning in content generation and know how to practically implement it in your projects. Procedural Content Generation, or PCG, is a method that uses algorithms to produce content automatically and randomly. This technique has many benefits, such as reducing manual workload, adding variety, and creating unique player experiences. Games like Minecraft and No Man's Sky use PCG to create their vast and diverse worlds. Machine learning is a subset of AI that involves the creation of algorithms that allow computers to learn from and make decisions or predictions based on data. The three main types of machine learning are supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Each type has its unique uses and applications. Machine learning can take procedural content generation to a new level. Instead of following a set pattern, machine learning algorithms can learn player preferences and adapt the content accordingly. This creates a dynamic and personalized gaming experience. The potential for machine learning in game development is vast and largely untapped, making it a promising field for innovation. Implementing machine learning in your project involves several steps. First, you need to choose the right machine learning model for your needs. Then, collect and preprocess your data. After that, you can train your model on your data. Once the model is trained, evaluate its performance and fine-tune it if necessary. These steps form the basis of any machine learning project. Procedural content generation with machine learning is a powerful tool that can revolutionize game development. It not only reduces the manual workload but also creates unique and personalized gaming experiences. The potential for this technology is vast and largely untapped, so I encourage you to explore it further and see how you can use it in your projects.